The hardest thing facing e-commerce owners, marketers, and content creators is doubling their profits. Everyone is looking for a strategy that enables them either to double their earnings or create a new income from the internet. Therefore, I wanted to summarize for everyone searching and give you the key that will solve all these problems. Whether you have already made income from the internet or are still looking for a way, this video is for you. With simple steps using AI and the website APOB.AI, you will be able to earn thousands of dollars monthly with ease. Okay, why APOB.AI specifically and not another platform? Simply because APOB.AI is an advanced AI-powered platform that allows users to create realistic digital humans, generate consistent images, and produce talking videos without needing a camera or production team. It combines tools like AI influencer generation, image-to-video conversion, face swapping, and lip syncing to bring virtual characters to life. What makes APOB.AI stand out is its ability to maintain visual consistency across multiple scenes, its ease of use for beginners, and its cost-effectiveness compared to traditional content creation. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or e-commerce seller, APOB.AI helps you produce professional, engaging visuals quickly and efficiently. Okay. When entering the website, you will find this interface. There are options to create the character or the video you want, either by choosing from the images or videos available on the site, or you can create your own image by clicking here. Here you will find two options: either upload a photo that will be used to create the character, or create your own AI influencer. Okay, I will choose to create an AI influencer now. The site will give us several options that will enable us to get the character we want. These options include gender, age, country, eye color, and so on. All these features will allow you to choose the exact character shape you want. I will now choose randomly and make the age younger. Then I will click on Create and wait for the site to generate the image that we will use later to create the video. After waiting a little, we got this picture. It actually looks very good. Now we will move on to the next step, which is naming the character and providing a description for it. I will now choose the name Jack for the character. As for the description, I asked ChatGPT to give me a description of a podcast creator character. I will put the description here, then click on Create Your Image Model Now. After that, we will reach this step where we will determine many things related to the character. The first is the character's prompt, which I will take from ChatGPT. Then we will move on to other options like style, appearance, and environment, where I will choose the library. There is also the weather option, where I will select rain. After that, we will choose the quantity, the image dimensions, and also the quality. Finally, we will click on Create. Okay, after waiting a little, we will get this image, and now we will convert it into a video. For that, we will need a description of the movements the character will perform. I will ask ChatGPT to give them to me, and I will put them here and press Create. We will wait a little for the site to create the video. Then we will get this result. Now we just need the sound, so we will click on Lip Sync, and here we will find two options. The first is to upload your own sound, and the second is to generate sound from within the site. Okay, let's try this. You will find simple options to choose the voice, represented by gender, age group, and language. Then select the voice that suits you. After that, we will get the video script, which I will put here. Then finally click on Create, and wait a little for the site to process the voice. After that, we will click here, and then finally click Create in order to synchronize the audio with the video. We will wait a little, and then we will get this result.
Have you ever wondered why we procrastinate even when we know it hurts us? I mean, it's like our brains are wired to avoid discomfort, but breaking that cycle, that's the real challenge.
Now, I will explain how a very important feature on the site works, and it is truly exceptional. The feature I am talking about is ReVideo, which allows you to reincarnate or replace a character in an original video clip with another image, while maintaining the original background and movement of the scene. As a first step, you will find two options. The first is to select content that you already have, and the second is to upload a video from your computer to the site for use. I will select from the videos that I have previously created. Now to continue, we will find three options. The first is to select the content based on the content you created, or you can create a new image and use it very easily. The third option is to upload an image from your device. I will upload a Leonardo image and give an example using it. As you can see, after clicking Create and waiting a little, we get this result. In general, you will find many features provided by the site, including Generate Video, ReVideo, Talking Avatar, Text-to-Image, Add Subtitles, and so on. As for images, you will find Build Your Own, Complete Set, and others. All of this will give you very great capabilities to help you achieve the result you want. Now we will talk about something important, which is memberships. To upgrade your membership, you need to click on Upgrade. Then you will find 3 memberships on the site. If you pay annually, you will get significant discounts of up to 71%. Check the features of each membership and choose the one that suits you. Okay, now we will talk about the strategy that will double your profits. If you are a marketer or an e-commerce owner, the website will definitely benefit you as you will produce many advertising videos through it, which will help you expand more and give you an advantage over competitors. And if you are a content creator, the website will also benefit you greatly because it will simply allow you to produce videos without the need to appear yourself and also without the need for equipment or a studio, which will save you a lot of effort and money. That was everything. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates.